Hey everyone, this is my Toyota Prius 2013. I've got a bit of a problem. There's this knocking and clunking noise coming from the steering. So I decided to share how I fixed it with you. First, we'll need to open this plastic panel. To do that, we'll need to remove 2 screws holding it in place. Next, we'll need to find this bolt for the steering column. To fix the knocking, we'll need a size 12 socket to loosen the bolt a bit. Then we'll tighten it back a bit further than it was before and check if the knocking is still there. In this case, I found that the knocking noise was coming from down there. So we'll need to open this plastic cover off and check the bolt in there. We'll do the same thing with the bottom bolt, losing it and tightening it back. Let's test this out. And guess what? It worked. The knocking is gone. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, subscribe, and sharing it. Thanks for watching.